Hello student, this is the seventh part of trigonometrical equations. Okay, today I am going to explain objective type problems. Nana. Here, this is our first problem. 2 cos square theta equal to 1, then find theta. For objective problems, especially for trigonometrical equation, substitution method is better. Nana. Take 30 degree and substitute here. If it satisfies, then we can say that 1 is correct answer, because no other options involving 30 degree. Like that you can get the solutions. But I want to explain the solutions in descriptive method. So cos square 2 cos square theta equal to 1 means cos square theta equal to 1 by 2, or cos square theta equal to, for example, we got cos square theta equal something means we want convert cos right hand side in the form of cos square alpha, because cos square theta equal to cos square alpha, directly theta equal to n pi plus or minus alpha only. That's why. Okay. So this is 1 by root 2 whole square I can write, or cos square theta equal to cos square pi by 4. So theta equal to what, Nana? N pi plus or minus pi by 4. This is a general solution actually. But in objective question, what they are asking? Particular solutions. Okay. Put n equal to 0, you get plus or minus pi by 4. Okay, 1 pi by 4 is there. Okay, this is satisfying. Okay. Next, put n equal to 1, Nana. What happened? Pi plus pi by 4. 1 value, pi minus pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 means 135 degree is there. So what I can say? My answer is second option. Okay. By using this, you get all the solutions, total general solution, this one. So, but objective question, that too, only 2 solutions are there. That's why give n for n 0, you get 2 values. Put n equal to 1, 2 values, like that. After that, you can identify which option is correct for us. Okay. Yeah. Second problem. Cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta. We want to solve. What is idea? Cos 2 theta have several formulae. Cos square theta minus sin square theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 1 minus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square. Better one is in terms of cos you want. That's why this can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1 equal to cos square theta. So what I can say? 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta minus 1 equal to 0, or cos square theta minus 1 equal to 0, or cos square theta equal to 0, sorry 1. So cos square theta equal to 1 square, that is cos square 0 whole square, because cos square 0 is 1. Okay, I want to write clearly here. So here 1, I can say 1 square, or cos square theta equal to cos 0 square. So what I am trying to write cos square theta, cos square alpha form. Directly theta equal to n pi plus or minus alpha 0. So final answer is n pi only. N pi. So now I want to identify n pi. N is an integer. Put n equal 0, we will get theta 0. N1 pi, n2 2 pi, like that. 0 pi, 2 pi, minus integral multiple of pi's. See, this only one side, so integral multiple of pi. These are not integral multiple of pi. That means my answer is for the option. Okay, students. Next, tan theta equal to minus 1 by root 3. Principal value, according to our textbook, principal value means for tan function, that value should be lies between open interval minus pi by 2, pi by 2. 1 by root 3 means 30 degree, but in between minus pi by 2, pi by 2. Okay, what I can say? Minus 30 degree or minus pi by 6 radians. So this is the answer. Minus pi by 6 radians here. Third option is correct. Okay. Next. Wait. Yeah, students. Next, fourth question. Cos 2 theta equal to 2 sin square theta. Again, like for second problem only. I wrote cos 2 theta in terms of cos, but here I want to add cos 2 in terms of sin. That's why 1 minus 2 sin square theta equal to 2 sin square theta, or 1 equal to 4 sin square theta, or sin square theta equal to 1 by 4, or sin square theta equal to 1 by 2 whole square, or sin square theta equal to sin square pi by 6. So directly general solution I want to write theta equal to n pi plus r minus alpha, that is pi by 6. This is the general solution. But here some particular values are given, I want to substitute. Plus r minus pi by 6 means 30 degree, plus r minus 30 degree. I can say this is the answer for this. In descriptive way, you can say that theta equal to n pi plus r minus pi by 6. Okay, students, sin square theta is involved means right hand side also you want sin square alpha. That's why 1 by 2, 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 means sin 30, sin square 30. After that, I can say that general solution is n pi plus r minus pi by 6. Okay. Next, fifth question. Cos square theta equal to 3 by 4. So LHS we have cos square theta. RHS also we have cos square something. That's why cos square theta equal to, this is root 3 by 2 whole square I can write. Or cos square theta equal to cos square 30 degree, that is pi by 6 radians I can say. Directly theta equal to n pi plus r minus pi by 6. This is the solution for the problem. This is actually general solution, but here some solutions are given. Put n equal to 0, you get plus r minus pi by 6. One is plus pi by 6, another minus pi by 6. So pi by 6 here is there, no other pi by 6. Put n equal to 1, what happened? Pi minus pi by 6 or pi plus pi by 6. One of them is 5 pi by 6 and 7 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 is there. That's why I can say that my answer is first option. Okay, students. The principal solution of cos theta equal to minus root 3 by 2. According to our book, for cos function, principal solution should be between closed 0 to closed pi. We want to find out any value of this which is satisfied by minus root 3 by 2. Actual root 3 by 2 means 30 degree. Pi minus 30 degree also will satisfy. 180 minus 30 degree. Actual plus root 3 means 30 degree. Na? So, cos of 180 minus 30 how much? 180 minus theta, second quadrant cos minus 180, no, cos 30 only. That is minus root 3 by 2 only. What is the meaning of that? This is the principal solution. So, pi minus pi by 6, that is 5 pi by 6. This is the principal solution, 5 pi by 6. Okay. Yeah, 7th is interesting. Tan theta plus secant theta equal to root 3. Then principal value of this value and find. Try to convert both in the equation in terms of either tan or in secant. So already you know that 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta, or 1 equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta, or 1 equal to secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. So what is secant theta plus tan theta? Okay, 1 by secant theta minus tan theta, means these two are reciprocal. That's why what I can say here, secant theta minus tan theta is nothing but 1 by root 3. Okay, students. So add them. What happened? While adding, tan get cancelled. 2 secant theta equal to root 3 plus 1 by root 3. 2 secant theta equal to 3 plus 1 by root 3. 2 secant theta equal to 4 by root 3. 2 get cancelled. Secant theta equal to 2 by root 3. Cos theta equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, students. So what he is asking here, just one value, just simple value. Root 3 by 2 means 30 degree, cos 30 degree means pi by 6 radians. So instead of theta I can write pi by 6. Pi by 6 plus pi by 6. This is the answer for the problem. 2 pi by 6. 2 by 2 1s are 2 3s are. So what is the meaning of that? 5 by 3. Where is that 5 by 3? Here 5 by 3. 5 by 3 is the answer for the problem. Okay. Yeah, students, next question, 8th question. 3 tan theta equal to cot theta. I don't like two trigonometric ratios. I want to convert into single trigonometric ratio. 3 tan theta equal to 1 by tan theta I can write. Or 3 tan square theta equal to 1. Or tan square theta equal to 1 by 3. Tan square theta means right hand side also I want another trigonometric function, that to square of square. So tan square theta equal to 1 by root 3 whole square I can write actually. Tan square theta equal to tan square 30 degree in this pi by 6 radians. Directly general solution is what none here, theta equal to n pi plus r minus alpha means pi by 6. This is the general solution. After that we want to find what is the required particular solutions. Okay, see here, what is the question here? Plus r means 30 degree, no? 30, this is the answer, no? Obviously. 9th question, interesting one. Tan theta minus 15 degree by tan theta plus 15 degree equal to 1 by 3. So here I want to use compound dividend concept, nana. A by b equal to c by d. Then what happened? A plus b by a minus b always equal to c plus d by c minus. This is called compoundo and dividendo. C and d, compoundo and dividendo. Students, here I want to use compoundo and dividendo to solve this problem. Or directly you can expand, na? Tan of a plus b formula is there, no? Tan of a plus b, tan of a minus. Expanding and simplifying also you get the result. But I want to use compoundo and dividendo. Okay. So first of all, tan of theta minus 15 plus tan of theta plus 15 by tan of theta minus 15 plus minus tan of theta minus 15 equal to 1 plus 3 by 1 minus 3. Okay. Okay, students, already we have one formula. I will write that. Listen here. Tan A plus tan B by tan A minus tan B is there. Tan A means sin A by cos A plus sin B by cos B. Take LCM, sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B by cos A cos B. Sin of A plus B cos A cos B. Directly tan A plus tan B means sin of A plus B by cos A cos B. By tan A minus tan B directly sin of A minus B by cos A cos B. These two get cancelled. So sin of A plus B by sin of A minus B. Tan A plus tan B by tan A minus tan B means what I can write, nana? Sin of A plus B by sin of A minus B. I will write that directly. Sin of A plus B by sin of A minus B equal to 4 by minus 2. So sin of A plus B means here 15 get cancelled, 2 theta. By here theta get cancelled. I think I wrote here wrong something. A minus B means here plus. Okay, 15 get cancelled. 1 minute, Anna. Theta minus 5 plus minus. Okay, here minus should get. Okay. So what the meaning of that? I wrote here actually right here theta means here plus. Okay, now here minus 15 minus 30 minus sin 30 I can write equal to minus 2. Okay, what you got I want right here, students, listen. Minus also get cancelled. Sin 2 theta equal to 2 into sin 30. Sin 2 theta equal to 2 into 1 by 2. Sin 2 theta equal to 1. 2 theta equal 1 means 90 degree I can say. 90 degree means pi by 2 radians. Or theta equal what, Anna? Pi by 4. So what I can say, my answer is pi by 4. Where is that? Here. Okay, just to you want to find general particular solution. No? You want to find general solution, you can write n pi plus minus 1 power n into pi by 2. After that you can write theta also. But in this problem you want only one particular solution. Okay, sometimes you want to find general solution, no? 2 theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n into pi by 2, theta equal to n pi by 2 plus minus 1 power n into pi by 4. This is the general solution. But you want one particular solution, that's why I wrote instead of 190 degree. After that I found the theta. Okay. Okay, student. The principal value of theta plus pi by 4 where sin theta plus cos theta equal to 1. Sin theta plus cos theta equal to 1. This model also I explained. You need to convert LHS into single trigonometric ratio. So, yeah, sin theta coefficient is 1, cos theta coefficient is 1. We want to divide both sides by root over a square plus b square. That is root over 1 square plus 1, that is root 2. So, 1 by root 2 sin theta plus 1 by root 2 cos theta equal to 1 by root 2. Okay, next instead of this I can write cos 45 degree, cos pi by 4 into sin theta. Okay, sin pi by 4 into cos theta equal to 1 by root 2. So, sin a cos b plus cos a sin of a plus b, sin of theta plus pi by 4, that is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay. So, what is the value of theta plus pi by 4, Nana? One of the value theta plus pi by 4 equal to pi by 4. So, one of the solution of theta plus pi by 4 equal to pi by 4. What I can say here? Pi by 4. I can say this. Okay. Next 11th problem, students. Yeah, this is also same model. Cos theta plus root 3 sin theta equal to 2. So again you want to divide root throughout by root over a square. A square means 1, b square means 3, that is equal to 2. So 1 by 2 into cos theta plus root 3 by 2 into sin theta equal to 2 by 2 means 1 directly. Okay. So what I want? Yeah, I want to write into single trigonometric ratio. Yeah, cos of pi by 3 plus theta I can write. Sorry, minus. Okay, 1 minute. I will write one more step. Cos theta as it is. Instead of 1 by 2, I can write cos 60 degree, that is pi by 3 radians, plus sin pi by 3 radians into sin theta equal to 1. This is cos of a minus b equal to 1. So, theta minus pi by 3 equal to cos k equal to 1 means k should be 0 only, no? 0. So, what is my theta? 1 of the theta equal to pi by 3. Just I am finding a particular solution only, no? I can find a general solution, that is not a big problem. According to the question, I found the particular solution, that is pi by 3. For example, this type of problems, just substitution method is easy. Substitute 0 here, sin 0 0, cos 0 0, tan 0 0, 0 0 means 0 will satisfying. 0 is satisfying means what happened? So obviously 3 and 4 are not correct answer for the problem. Next, pi by 2 satisfy, pi by 2, check, substitute pi by 2, sin pi by 2 1, like that. Substitute won't get 0, means I that pi by 2 is not satisfying. Obviously option 1 is correct. In this way you can complete problem in objective way, Nana. But I want to explain in descriptive method. Sin theta plus sin phi theta plus sin 3 theta equal to 0. Here I want to use transformations, sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2, 3 theta, direct step, theta plus phi theta, 6 theta by 2, 3 theta, into cos theta minus phi theta, minus 4 theta by 2, minus 2 theta, plus sin 3 theta equal to 0. Here I can take sin 3 theta common, 2 cos 2 theta plus 1 equal to 0. What is the meaning of that? Sin 3 theta equal to 0 or 2 cos 2 theta plus 1 equal to 0 or cos 2 theta equal to minus 1 by 2. So, cos 3 theta equal to 0 means what is the 3 theta value? N pi. Theta equal to n pi by 3. Okay. If put n equal to 0, you will get 0. Put n equal to 1, pi by 3. These two are you are getting directly. Without using this only, you are getting solutions for this. In general, for subjective method, we need to find this solution and this solution, that union only the solution of the total problem. Okay, so next 13th question. lambda sin theta equal to 3. Sir, gamma. Okay, gamma. Gamma equal to 3 by sin theta. One relation. Another one is what is given? Gamma equal 4 times of 1 plus sin theta. 2. So what is the meaning of the 1 equal to 2 only? So 3 by sin theta equal to 4 times of 1 plus sin theta. 3 equal to 4 sin theta plus 4 sin square theta, or 4 sin square theta plus 4 sin theta minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. So for objective question, just substitute angles in the given problem. Which one is satisfied, that only the answer. What I am explaining here, I am explaining descriptive concept, descriptive method. 4 sin square theta plus 4 sin theta minus 3 equal to 0. Just like 4k square plus 4k minus 3 equal to 0. I will find for the value of k, after that I will find sin theta. Factorization. 4 3s are minus 12. Minus 12 factors you want, product should be minus 12, summation should be 4. 6 2s are plus 6 minus 2. Okay. 4k square plus 6k minus 2k minus 3 equal to 0. Here 2k you can take common, 2k plus 3 minus 2 minus 1 is taken common, 2k plus 3 equal to 0. 2k plus 3 is taken common, 2k minus 1 equal to 0. K equal to minus 3 by 2 or k equal to 1 by 2. K means what, Nana? Sin theta. Sin theta equal to minus 3 by 2 or sin theta equal to 1 by 2. So sin theta never 3 by 2, never it happens, because minus 1 point something, sin theta value never minus 1 point something, means sin theta should be 1 by 2. Okay. So what I got, I will write sin theta equal to 1 by 2. Now I want to write general solution. What? N pi plus minus 1 power n into pi by 6. This is where n belongs to z. This is the general solution. But he want some particular solution, substitute values. Put n equal to 0. Put n equal to 0, get pi by 6. This is the one of the answer. Okay. Put n equal to 1. What happened? Pi minus pi by 6, that is 5 pi by 6. I can say 1 is correct answer for this. Okay. Next question. Cot theta minus tan theta equal to 2. We want to find the value of what? Theta. So what I can do? Cos theta by sin theta minus sin theta by cos theta equal to 2. Cross multiplication, LCM, cos square theta minus sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta. 2. Numerator is cos 2 theta formula. Denominator is if you cos theta into sin theta equal to 2. If here 2 is there, directly that is sin 2 theta only. That's why multiplying 2 dividing by 2. So what we will get, I am writing here. So 2 cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta equal to 2. 2 get cancelled. Cot 2 theta equal to 1. 2 theta equal to pi by 4, one of the value. Theta equal to pi by 8, that is one of the value. So according to the option, I can say that 3 is correct. Okay, here last problem. Tan square theta something, tan is taken as k square minus root 3 minus 1 into k minus root 3 equal to 0. I want to solve for k first. So k square minus root 3k plus k minus root 3 equal to 0. Just I open the bracket. K taken common, k minus root 3 plus 1 taken common, k minus root 3 equal to 0. K minus root 3 is taken common, k plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, the value of k equal to root 3 or minus 1. K means for tan theta. Tan theta equal to root 3 or tan theta equal to minus 1. Theta equal to root 3 means 60 degree, means 5 by 3 radians. Where is one of them is 5 by 3 here. Okay. Okay. What next, Nana? theta equal minus 1 for the principal solution, minus pi by 4 only, no? So minus pi by 4. What I can say, second option is correct for this. In this way, you can complete the problems.